One thing that commonly comes up in ketosis, and sorry, I'm going a little bit off the rails here, but electrolytes and sort of keeping electrolytes within the body when you're in strict ketosis. How do you, in the book, I believe you mentioned something about the use of salt and in order to help with that. Do you mind just going into sort of how you manage your own electrolyte levels?
Sure. Well, since the body does not hold onto uh, water like it does on a default carbohydrate sufficient diet, so when you consume sufficient carbohydrates not to be in the state of ketosis, each gram of carbohydrate holds certain grams of water in the body, and it's easier to maintain stable electrolyte levels. But when you restrict carbohydrates to the point of ketosis, that doesn't happen. So you kind of flush water and minerals out of the body at an accelerated or at a more accelerated pace. And to do that, you kind of have to consume. So I would, from a subjective experience, I have to consume a little bit more salt and probably other minerals with enough water to remain hydrated and electrolytes stable, I would say.
And on the salt, just from your own subjective experience, how much salt are you consuming a day, and sort of how are you consuming it? Like, do you have your water bottle full of salt, or are you doing it by other means?
No, I haven't actually quantified it precisely, but I just salt my food. I just use more salt on my food. And I also kind of crave, like, I don't know if you know those tiny bouillon cubes. I kind of, sometimes I take 1 cube in the morning, either dissolved in a glass of water or just eat it and then drink a glassful or 2 glassfuls of water.